Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change page border white in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change page border white. Firstly, insert a border. Click the draw text box option and draw a text box over the page. Then click the border and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape outline option and choose any color. Now I select the red color. Now we can see here this border is thicker. Now we want to make this border big or change the border. Click again the shape outline option and choose wide option. Now we can see here highest wide is 6. Now we select it. Then we can see we change page border white this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.